I have to wear the pink mask. It was my punishment to myself. If I forgot my mask, I kept this pink one in the bike. So, but you know, like, it takes a real man to wear pink. Yeah, always forget my mask. Stupid! I mean, like I don't know where I am actually. Okay, made it to the post office in my area. Yeah, Kantor Post, that's what you're looking for. Kantor Post. Oka means open. Usually little sort of a shoppy looking thing. There's one in every main sort of area, so one in Ubud and one here. I want to send some documents fast and safely. Hello, how are you? I need to send this document to Australia very, very quickly.
Okay, very quickly. EMS now 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Quickly, yeah.
Okay, 2 weeks, okay. And very safely. Security. Simple enough, so just got a nice little envelope. 2 weeks is the absolute fastest from Bali to Australia. And then a little declaration form.
This one, PO box, yeah?
Yes.
Cannot send to PO box now to Australia.
Cannot send to a PO box.
I don't know because regulation new. Before COVID no problem, but now cannot send to PO box. Sorry.
Right. Hello, lovely lady. How are you? I have it correct now. Sit down. You like me to sit down? $296. 200. So 296.
Yeah.
Almost 300.
Yeah.
Okay. So almost $30.
Yeah. Very expensive.
Mahal ya?
Mahal ya.
Mahal ke Australia? Thank you. Oh. Oh, bagus ya. Well, then you adjust this one, and then just put over. Oh, this is good. Stepping up. Like that? Oh.
But too small, I think.
Still too small. My head too big. I like this cake. Wow, it's a birthday?
Thank you.
Birthday cake?
Yeah.
Happy birthday?
Yeah.
Ah, beautiful. 6:30 a.m.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Fresh.
Fresh, huh?
Yes.
Thank you.
Still young.
Yes, young again.
25.
Oh, really?
Really?
Actually, I'm 60.
No, same before.
I'm 60, so maybe...
Now 25.
Oh, 25, that's good. Good number. You look fresh too.
Yeah, I'm same. You
Yeah, excellent.
new cut yesterday.
Yeah, looks good. How are you? So how about the charity pack already finished, huh?
Finished.
You want to do some more? You feel like do some more? Or?
Up to you.
Yeah, we do some. I only have
I will
small
give
money
to
today.
you. I'm just to work.
Well, I only have small money
But
today.
Some important, very close to my room.
Yes.
Here.
Yes.
Wife, husband.
Yes.
Not work.
Yes.
Couple.
Couple, yeah, with
so
the-
have the children 2 and another 1.
Yes.
So I will to anymore to help to them. Okay. I think maybe I will give to 5 kilos of rice, and then maybe egg half,
Yes.
and oil and noodles.
Okay.
No
Yeah,
salary.
Yeah. What were they doing?
Already 3 months.
What were they doing before? What job?
Before,
I
the
will give
man,
there.
the man travel
Driver.
driver,
Oh, he's the driver. Yeah. yeah
and
yeah,
then
yeah.
his wife.
His wife
Yes.
in the workshop.
Yes.
But workshop already closed now.
So how much would you like me to give them?
I think maybe only 100, 130. Just this is two for two family.
Yeah. Well, I'll give you another 400, and then you can. Do the kids have kites? Maybe they get you get the kite for the kid too.
Yeah.
For the kids, do they have the kites?
Yes.
You can give kites.
Yeah.
You know, from him, from you. I mean. So anyway, today I just have small money, so I'll just give you the 400. So $40, and this is for the drink.
I will take the picture.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah. If you want, yeah. Okay, that would be great.
To you.
Yes, no problem. I trust you. Everybody trusts you. But make sure you get them some kites, huh? Kite.
This one.
Hi,
Yeah.
Yes.
come here.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, for the kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How many?
Or how many kids? However many kids.
Two.
Yeah, two.
2 and 1, but 3. Just 3.
3 kites or 2 kites? 3 kites. Yeah. Why not?
So all the girls?
Oh, they like kite? No kites?
No.
Oh.
I
Okay.
think maybe like the boneka. What?
Dolls.
Dolls.
Oh, from over here?
Yeah, here I will buy in here just
Okay.
small.
Yeah, small ones.
Ito kan sekali lejo kenang-kenang sumanang. Ito kan hello kalian na level to buru-buru do.
Oh.
So maybe I'll give there not too very expensive, maybe cheap.
Yeah.
And I will give there.
Okay, so this is still enough?
I think so now.
Yeah. Anyway, let me know if you
Yeah.
need some more. Do something different.
Yeah.
How are you this morning? Okay?
Okay, but still.
You're still sleepy. Me too. That's why I get the Coca-Cola. It's like,
Rain.
yeah, it's just now this morning.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, it was this morning, maybe 5 o'clock.
Oh,
Yeah, I was awake, and it just
in the
started.
heaven.
You're always in heaven.
She said thank you to you.
Oh, that's my pleasure. Tidak apa-apa, sama-sama.
So
This Ibu
42,000.
already work from home also.
She what?
Work from home.
Oh, she's working from home. Yeah.
Nobody orders some
No,
because
order
like
the clothes.
Oh, she's
She
making
make the
clothes.
clothes.
Yes, yes.
Saving.
Yes, I understand. I have a friend that's sewing also, and she had no business.
yeah.
Yeah.
Jogger clothes, Krishna clothes. Apa lagi? Mbak. Apa lagi yang ini? Konveksi. Jogger, Krishna.
Oh iya, enggak ke Jogger aja.
Jogger.
Hotel biasa hotel villa.
Hotel,
bank,
villa,
Right. Yeah.
bank.
Tutup semua.
Yeah. Tutup.
2 bulan enggak kerja.
What
2
tutup?
bulan.
2 months. 2 bulan. Wow.
No work.
She won't.
Off, yeah.
She won't go home. She come back.
Thank you, sir.
58,000. Thank
Yeah.
you so much for your help.
Oh, thank you so much for doing it, and we still can do more.
Yeah.
But just we take it slowly, like I said. Just take it a little bit slow, and
Yeah.
just as they need, we can give.
Right.
Not like here, just
Yeah.
everything.
No.
Not go crazy.
No. Slow.
Yeah.
But sure.
Yes, slowly but surely. Perfect.
Yeah. Slow but sure.
That's exactly right.
If the fast but only one time, no.
Yes. Yes.
But slow. You can see like how about the condition for next.
Exactly.
If the perfect next,
Yeah.
but not if.
Yes.
Just so I see, I think maybe how many people must be to help.
Yes.
Not for all.
Exactly.
Exactly.
We totally agree. Thank you, sir, for your help
Thank
so
you
far.
so much, and the God bless you
Thank
every
you.
day, and hope so everything for of what you seek in your body, and God for up for all.
Thank you so much. I hope
I'm
so
praying
too.
you. I'm praying.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah.
See you.
God bless you.
Thank you.